Hello, this is Coach Brendan Keys with the Houston Hurricanes. Just wanted to give a shout out to our title sponsor, Catherine and Karen Law Office, who's our title sponsor on the front of our shirts. Anybody that needs immigration status, papers, visas, green cards, they're very good at what they do, so just wanted to give a shout out to them. Also want to thank our sponsors, Kaizen Sports, JM Films, Key Sportswear, and some previous sponsors, Admiral, Holiday Inn Resort, Blast Fitness, and Dr. Key Shouter. We want to thank everybody involved over the years for helping us get where we are today.